Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making sure both phones have more than 50% battery and are plugged in. Open Settings on Android and run a full backup, then install Move to iOS. You'll start the transfer from the iPhone setup screen, choose Move Data from Android and note the 6-digit code. Once done, tap Continue on Android and enter the code. This establishes a secure Wi-Fi link so files can move safely. You'll now select what to transfer, pick contacts, messages, photos, and calendar, plus any compatible apps. On Android, grant permissions and keep the screen awake. On iPhone, watch the progress bar. The process can take minutes to hours depending on data size, so stay connected to the same Wi-Fi network and avoid switching apps. Make sure you monitor for prompts to install matching iOS apps or sign into services. This ensures accounts and app data link correctly once transferred. Finish by signing into iCloud and confirming contacts, calendars, and photos synced correctly. Open the Messages app and verify SMS threads. For unsupported files, like certain app data or downloads, use Google Drive, Dropbox, or a PC/Mac to move them manually. If something goes wrong, retry the move to iOS flow, update both OS versions, and ensure Wi-Fi is stable. If problems persist, consider a reputable third-party transfer tool that often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.